In this video, we will go over the PDF PreFlight tool. To access this tool, hover over My Account and click on PDF Tools. This tool allows you to upload a PDF document, and our system will return your document with overlaid information on top of it. The overlaid information shows all sorts of powerful details, such as envelope window placement so you can ensure your addresses are located in the correct area, as well as required margins. Looking at this section, the recipient address should be contained completely within the green box, as this allows for slight paper movement within the envelopes while still showing all address information. Same goes for the return address. No other characters or information should be included within the red or green box area. The sample addresses in this example show ideal address placement, which is starting in the upper left-hand corner of the green boxes. The certified box on the right should be left blank if sending certified mail. At the bottom of the document you'll see more information regarding our windowed return envelopes that are used primarily for statement printing mailings. We also have windowless return envelope options if you don't want to format the bottom of your documents for these return envelopes. Additionally, prior to running the PreFlight tool you can check the Display Dimensions box, which will provide in-depth measurements for the address boxes.